So class, I'm going to give you an activity. We are going to open our textbooks, and that is on page 27. We shall look for the characteristics of insects in our groups. Then after, we shall discuss amongst ourselves. I'm going to give you 1 minute. Then if the 1 minute is over, I will warn you, and we shall close everything, and we discuss as a class what we have got. Is that clear?
Yes.
Are my instructions clear?
Yes.
I need to see after the looking for the characteristics, I need to see you discussing amongst your groups. Is that okay? 1 minute. Let's begin. Pause what you're reading. Even if you haven't finished reading, think about what you have read, and then turn and say to your neighbor. Mm. 3 seconds left. That's so wonderful. Let us put our hands down and discuss what we have got in the books. Okay, class, welcome to the math class. On the chalkboard, I have drawn a rectangle, and we are going to look at its perimeter. Like we say, we are all seeing a perimeter has 2 sides equal. This side is equal this one, and this one is equal this one. May I ask you, class, what is the perimeter of this rectangle? What is the perimeter of this rectangle? Joyce?
18.
Not quite good, but it's a good trial. What is the perimeter? What is the perimeter? Yes.
The perimeter of that rectangle 2 is 10.
Good trial. Not really. Yes, Isma.
The perimeter of that rectangle is 30.
He says the perimeter is 30. Thank you for trying. According to the answers I've had, it seems you never understood clearly what I taught. So, we are going to do this thing again. Are we together? Yes. I need you to pay attention once again. If we remember, or if we remind ourselves, we say that perimeter is the sum of all sides. What did we say is perimeter? Perimeter is the sum of all sides. For example, if we look at our diagram, how do we call this diagram? How do we call that? Class, how do we call that diagram?
Rectangle.
How many sides does it have?
4 sides.
How many?
4 sides.
So we are going to see how we can get the perimeter of this rectangle. Are we together? So we shall say perimeter is equal to sum of all sides. Sum of all sides. And how many sides are here? 4 sides. When you look at this side, this is known as the length. This is known as the length. We have been given the length, and then we have also been given the width. So we shall open brackets, we shall say 5 centimeters plus 2 centimeters. That is the first length and width. Then we shall say plus, open brackets again. You know, this side is the same as this side. So how many centimeters are here?
5 centimeters.
5 centimeters plus, how many centimeters are this way?
2 centimeters.
2 centimeters. Correct. That's correct. 5 plus 2. What do we get?
7.
7 centimeters plus, how many? 5 plus 2.
7 centimeters.
So we have 7 centimeters plus 7 centimeters. And what is our answer?
14 centimeters.
14 centimeters. Then you will get your ruler and underline on the answer. Is that okay?
Yes.
What is our perimeter?
14 centimeters.
Have you understood that?
Yes.
I'm going to put another diagram to check if you have understood. Is that okay?
Yes.
Should I clean this one?
Yes.
Okay. We are going to find the perimeter of this rectangle, and I will get the answers from you. Who is going to give me the perimeter of this rectangle? Talikaza.
14 centimeters.
Okay, class. Talikaza has got the right answer. Can I have someone who can tell me why her answer is right? Aaron?
She has added all the sides of a rectangle.
Let us say she has added all the sides. Let us say that.
She has added all the sides.
So she has brought out our definition of perimeter. We say perimeter is the sum of all sides. That's great, class. I think we have all understood how to get the sum of a perimeter.